The automated equipment for automobile connectors has greatly shortened the production time of a single automobile connector and effectively improved the overall production efficiency. The automated equipment operates precisely according to the preset programs and parameters, ensuring a high degree of consistency in the production process and quality standards of each automobile connector. In the long run, it can reduce labor costs. Modern automated equipment for automobile connectors usually has strong flexibility and scalability, which also provides a basis for the decision-making of enterprises